Have you ever experienced lucid dreaming and out-of-body experience? If not, I'm going to share with you a very simple instruction that will give you at least 30% chance of success every night you use it. This time we won't talk about any experiments. Believe me, there are a lot of them, just wait for it. But now we are going to talk about entering the phase state. By the phase state, I mean lucid dreaming and out-of-body experience, because for me it is the same state where you have full consciousness during REM sleep. Actually, sometimes it happens during non-REM sleep, but you understand what I mean. The problem is that although this phenomenon is quite widespread, not many people can control it and induce it by their will. And I hope that this instruction will help you to get this experience, and then you will be able to participate in our experiment in Project Elijah. Believe me or not, the phase state can be achieved a few times per night. If you understand how to do this, it's quite easy. All you need to do just to perform right actions in the right moment, nothing else. I've been practicing the phase state for 20 years now, and as you understand, I should know what works better. In this method that I'm going to share with you just in a few moments, one of the best way to achieve this state. I was using this method for almost a year on my seminars, and I saw a lot of results. That's why I'm ready to share it with you, because I've verified it. So you want to practice lucid dreaming. You want to be able to experience out-of-body travel. How to do this? I'm not going to talk about specific actions right now. I'm just going to give you an instruction. First of all, you need to download a few files from the description and just listen to them. There are specific instructions for actions upon awakenings. So, first thing you need to download. Second, you need to listen to them and practice them. The first step, just repeat exactly the same actions upon your natural awakenings. So, download, listen and practice, and then wake up in the morning or during night sleep and perform those actions. If you have problems with awakenings, or you don't remember that you should do some actions upon awakenings, you should download the practical alarm clock. It is another file. You should start listening it just 2 to 3 hours before your final awakening. This method will help you to live in two worlds, because it is actually one of the easiest way to experience lucid dreaming and out-of-body experience. To get more help, you need to download my practical guidebook, The Phase. And don't forget that when you get some experience, you can participate in our research project, and you will be a part of a very important project that will help us to understand almost everything about the phase state. So see you in the Project Elijah.